Kia ora. This video looks at ngātau, numbers. This is the first in a series of videos that will look at numbers and the different ways to ask and answer number-related questions in Te Reo. You'll find a link to these and more activity sheets in the description panel below. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, etu, waru, iwa, tekau. We use e here when asking about items or objects. We use Tokohia when asking about people. E here ngā āporo, how many apples? Kotahi te āporo, there is one apple. Please note we use kotahi for the number 1. E here ngā motoka, how many cars? E toru ngā motoka, there are 3 cars. When referring to objects and items, we use e before numbers between 2 and 9. E here ngā ārani, how many oranges? Tekau ngā ārani, there are 10 oranges. Tekau is able to stand alone. Tokohia ngā tamariki, how many children? Tokorima ngā tamariki, there are 5 children. Toko is used for numbers between 2 and 9 when referring to people. Tokohia ngā kōtiro, how many girls? Kotahi te kōtiro, there is 1 girl. E here ngā ika, how many fish? Kotahi te ika, there is 1 fish. E here ngā pahi, how many buses? E rua ngā pahi, there are 2 buses. E here ngā rōpere, how many strawberries? Tekau ngā rōpere, there are 10 strawberries. Tokohia ngā tama, how many boys? Kotahi te tama, there is 1 boy. Tokohia ngā mātua, how many parents? Tokotoru ngā mātua, there are 3 parents. Tokohia ngā ākonga, how many students? Tekau ngā ākonga, there are 10 students. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see more videos I've made, you can look up Educross links on YouTube. Ka kite anō, see you again.